Hello, what's up? So today we're going to talk about three things which can throw your clothing brands out of the window. Let's start with the first one. Irrelevant clothing name, brand names and irrelevant logos. You know, unfortunately, most of the people are coming up with their clothing names and their logos overnight. It may work for a small group of people, but it's not gonna work for masses. It's not in with that approach. You just can't make your brand a universal brand. It can work for a small group. So for that you have to research. You just have to take time with your designs. It has to be meaningful and make sense for a large amount of audience. So that's the first one. The second one is that no marketing. When I say no marketing, it means that your presence on social media and influencer marketing or like paid ads, you're not doing nothing. So say if you're selling your stuff to family and friends, they're gonna buy once, twice. Now what? What you gonna do afterwards? You know, that's where most of the people are lacking. Because they are not taking serious to this social media and this marketing thing. The last thing is unorganized behavior. Most of the people are taking their brands as it's just as it's just fun. They're going to different manufacturers and they don't even know that what is deck pack, what is mock-up, how to approach a manufacturer, what are the sizes they're going to give you. I'm talking about from my personal experience. Many people are coming to us and asking these questions, and they don't know how to provide sizes to the manufacturer. So just stop doing that today.